అహ్మదాబాద్ విమాన ప్రమాద ఘటనను కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం తీవ్రంగా పరిగణిస్తోందని పౌర విమానయాన శాఖ మంత్రి రామ్మోహన్ నాయుడు తెలిపారు. ప్రమాద ఘటనపై దర్యాప్తునకు 5 సభ్యులతో ఓ కమిటీని ఏర్పాటు చేసినట్లు చెప్పారు. అవసరమైతే మరికొంతమంది సభ్యులను చేరుస్తామన్నారు. ఢిల్లీలో మీడియా సమావేశం నిర్వహించిన పౌర విమానయాన శాఖ మంత్రి రామ్మోహన్ నాయుడు బ్లాక్ బాక్స్ విశ్లేషణ తర్వాత అన్ని విషయాలు తెలుస్తాయన్నారు. కేంద్ర హోంశాఖ కార్యదర్శి ఆధ్వర్యంలో మరో కమిటీని ఏర్పాటు చేసినట్లు చెప్పారు. వివిధ రంగాల నిపుణులతో ఏర్పాటు చేసిన ఉన్నత స్థాయి కమిటీ 3 నెలల్లో నివేదిక ఇస్తుందని కేంద్ర మంత్రి రామ్మోహన్ నాయుడు తెలిపారు.
The government of Gujarat already put in the necessary rescue teams. The response teams from all the concerned departments were working on ground actively, trying to rescue whatever is possible, trying to cut down the fire and to move the debris so that the bodies can be sent to the hospital at the earliest. And with the timely response, things were able to move much faster than as was expected after looking at how the crash has happened at the site. And from the ministry, taking utmost seriousness of the incident, the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, which was formed specifically to look into the accidents that happen around aircrafts, was immediately mobilized, and the GO team from the AIB, including 5 members constituting DG AIB, was also immediately rushed to the site to start the investigation process. And since day one, within hours itself, the AIB has started its process of investigation. And yesterday, they have added 2 more members to the investigation, one from the forensics team, one from the medical team. And they would be doing it in future also as necessary. Whichever expert is required, they will be adding them to the investigation. And one important update from the technical investigation, which is happening through the AIB, is the recovery of the black box yesterday around 5 p.m. from the site. The AIB team believes that this decoding of the black box is going to give a in-depth insight into what would have actually happened during the process of the crash or moments before the crash itself. So we are also eagerly waiting for what the results or the report is going to be once the AIB goes through its full investigation.